Welcome to New in Germany, your honest guide to navigating life here. Today, let's talk about something many newcomers misunderstand: what to do after a car accident. Thinking you can just wave it off is a costly mistake. Leaving the scene without exchanging details is Unfallflucht, a criminal offence with serious penalties, even for a minor scratch. First, secure the scene. Hazard lights on. Put on your Warnweste before stepping out and place your Warndreieck at the correct distance. 50 metres in town, 100 on country roads, 200 on the autobahn. If anyone is injured, dial 112 immediately. Call the police at 110 if injuries occur, damage is substantial, the other car has foreign plates, you suspect drinking, or the other driver fled or refuses to share details. Next, the Unfallbericht, or European Accident Statement. Keep a blank copy in your glove compartment. Both drivers fill in their side and sign the same form. Be factual in your diagram and written account. Don't admit fault. Take photos of everything: vehicles, damage, road conditions, and the other driver's Führerschein, Fahrzeugschein, and insurance details. Get witness contact information. Never sign a blank Unfallbericht or a Schuldanerkenntnis, an admission of fault. And never accept a cash settlement. Always go through insurance. Report the accident to your Kfz-Versicherung within 1 week, even if you're not at fault. Missing this deadline can reduce or deny your claim. Your Haftpflicht insurance covers damage to the other party. Casco is optional for your own car. If you're at fault, your Schadenfreiheitsklasse can drop, increasing your premiums for years. For minor damage, sometimes paying out of pocket is smarter. Ask your insurer for a Rückstufungsberechnung. Finally, be aware of the impact on your residence permit. Serious driving offences like Unfallflucht go on your Führungszeugnis. A criminal conviction can delay or derail your permanent residence application. For more practical advice, visit newingermany.eu.